Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Class 5th, lecture number 1st. Title Windows 7 is this is your second lesson and descriptions. Windows 7 is an operating system. Lesson 2 Windows 7. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Windows was developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company founded by Bill Gates. Means Windows is an operating system that provides interface between user and computer. Windows was developed by Microsoft company and founder of this company Bill Gates. The first edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1995 and was called the Windows 95. Increased usage of technology and continuous led the development of advanced edition of Windows named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The most recent release preview of Windows 10 is available for download in 101 language. Means latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Means here the different types of Windows, and first Windows introduced in 1995, Windows 95, and after that 98, 2000s, Windows 2003, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and new release current time Windows 10. Here given the figure of Windows Vista, Windows XP and Windows 7. Next one, the features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has become very popular because of its friendly environment. The silent feature of Windows 7 are as follow. Means Windows 7 has become very popular because the user friendly environment. The features are faster, more reliable and secure. It is easy to use and learn. Next, better memory management. More personal, you can record your desktop with new themes, slideshow, yeah, handy gadgets. Jump list in Windows 7 takes you right to the documents, pictures, songs and website you use every day. Windows taskbar, better thumbnail preview, easier to see icons and pin them as desired by the user. Windows provide the Aero Peek features that makes you open window transparent so you may see your desktop. It means Windows 7 provide different types of features: faster, more reliable and secure, better memory management. Means you can redecorate your desktop with new themes, slides. Provide the new feature jump list. When you use more website songs, you can set in your jump list. Windows task, better thumbnail preview. These are the features of Windows 7. Using desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of a working study table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator and files. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. We can find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, documents icons and disk drive icons. Means desktop means when your system put on your table, so this is called the desktop, and desktops have different types of icon. When you open your computer first times, This screen is called the desktop screen, and in this screens have different types of icons. Here start button, taskbar, desktop, and icons. Here different types of icon: computer network, recycle bin, my computer. So these are the different types of icons. You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that displays the start button on the left side. Means here this strip is called the taskbar, and left side have the start button. The programs that you have opened appear in the form of the buttons on it, and here when you open any program, show here like this, and it hold the notification area on the right side, which include the clock and some icons. Right side have the notification area and also include the watch. Means here time show a right side of the taskbar. It means Windows screens have icon, different types of icon, taskbar, and right side of the taskbar start button. And when you open any program, so here means middle of the taskbar, and right side of the taskbar show notification area and time and date also. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. Let us know about commonly used icons. First, computer icon give you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer systems. Double clicking on a drive icon will display the folder contained in the drive. Means computer icon have drives and content which are used stored in your computer. When you are double click of the computer icon, then you open your drive and you easy way to show your stored data. Next one, the application icon. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to related application. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Application icon. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icons containing a direct route to a specific application, document or folder, etc. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Means if you have lower left corner small arrow, it means this is the small shortcut icon of any application. This one and this one. Next, document icons. The minimized active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. On a taskbar, you see the document icon. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. When you click this document icon, then you can move to the document folder. Next one, this one is the network. Network icon allow you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network environment. This network icon show the shared files or devices which are connected to your computer. Next one is the recycle bin. It works like a trash bin, means dustbin. Recycle bin is the dustbin of your computer used for throwing unwanted papers. These papers can be taken out if needed. Recycle bin is the folder that holds the deleted objects until it is untyped. We can take back to deleted file and restore them to their original location. Means recycle bin is the dustbin of your computer. If not required any file or folder, then you delete it, then those files move recycle bin. If you required from particular file or folder, you can retrieve from the recycle bin. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number. Thank you.